Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. LU2, Inequalities and Absolute Value Function. Okay, question 1, 2, and 3 lepas ini ya. Question 4. Okay, question 4, find the range of x using a table of signs. Okay, question number 4, find the range of x using a table of sign. Quadratics inequalities 6x squared plus 19x less than negative 10. First step, you write down the quadratic inequalities with the left hand side here equals to the 0. Okay, 6x squared plus 19x plus 10 less than 0. Yeah. And step 2, factorize the inequalities 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 5 less than 0 and find the zeros. Yeah, negative 2 over 3 and negative 5 over 2. And draw the number line. I draw the table of sign. Okay, first range of x less than negative 5 over 2. Ini saya tunjukkan balik ya. First value of x here equals to the negative 5 over 2. And then the second value of x here equals to the negative 2 over 3. Yeah. So from the left of the function between negative infinity, negative 5 over 2, here first interval, x here less than negative 5 over 2. First interval, number 1. Second interval between negative 5 over 2, negative 2 over 3. And then third interval here, negative 2 over 3 to the positive infinity. Jadi kalau you all check, you ada 3 interval kat sini. Yeah. And then factor 2x plus 5, 3x plus 2. And then here the sign of the inequalities. Okay. Positive, negative, and the positive sign. And you check the sign here less than negative 10. So here is a less than 0. So answer you here negative between negative 5 over 2 and negative 2 over 3. Okay. So jawapan you nanti between negative 5 over 2 and negative 2 over 3 using open bracket. Okay, settle question number 4 using a table of sign. And question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 pun sama. Saya tunjukkan method dulu. Method ni penting. Question number 4, number 5, you punya method cuma pakai method table of signs saja. Kalau you pakai graphical method, you pakai real number line, salah. Walaupun jawapannya betul. Pastikan you pakai methodnya betul lah. Okay, table of sign. Yeah. Okay, rational function. X here less than 2 over x plus 1. Okay, first step, x minus 2 over x plus 1 less than 0. And the denominator of the rational function here equals to the x plus 1. So here you cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply, and the denominator of the function here equals to the x plus 1. Yeah, so here equals to the x square plus x minus 2 over x plus 1 and less than 0. Yeah. Ada kelas pagi tadi, kalau you buat cross multiply macam ini salah, ha? Macam ini, dia buat macam ini pagi tadi. Ada juga yang buat macam ini. 2 over x plus 1, and this one dia cross multiply. Kalau buat saja macam ini, memang confirm you punya solution tu salah. Cik balik, ha? Okay? Yang betul macam ini sepatutnya. Okay? And then step 1, and then here factorize the quadratics inequalities, x plus 2 times x minus 1 and less than 0. And zeros here equals to the negative 2, 1 and negative 1. Okay? And draw the table of sign. Ini pun sama, saya tunjukkan balik. So zeros here from the left, negative 2, here negative 1, and here equals to the positive 1. Kalian all check ke interval 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dia ada 4 interval. Ya, kebiasaan dia, kalau you punya zeros to 3, dia mesti plus 1. Interval dia jadi 4. Ya. So from the left of the function, between negative infinity and negative 2, first interval, between negative 2 and negative 1, negative 1, 1, and then 1 to the positive infinity. Okay, pastikan interval ni cukup. Ha? Kalau you punya interval tu tak cukup, maksudnya nanti satu jawapan you akan hilang. Okay. Okay, and then the sign of the sign here from the left, negative, positive, negative, and positive. And then the solution here less than 0. Okay, so solution here negative. So first solution, value of x here less than negative 2. And the second solution here between 1 and negative 1. Okay, so you combine two solution, less than negative 2, negative infinity, negative 2, unions, negative 1, 1. Ini jawapan you. Okay, question number 5. Okay, question number 6. Rational function. Question A, method using the number line. And question B, using a table of sign. Ini pun pastikan you pakai method yang betul lah. Kita pentingkan method kat sini. Okay. Okay, question A. 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 greater than 1. Okay, so first step, 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 here greater than 0. Yeah. So you bring all the constant to the left hand side. Okay, so here greater than 0. And the denominator here equals to the x minus 1. So here you cross multiply. Negative 1 times x minus 1. Okay. Answer you here equals to the x over x minus 1 greater than 0. Yeah. And denominator not equal to 0. Okay. And zeros here equals to the 1 and equal to the 0. Yeah. So you draw the number line. Okay. So the first value of x here equal to 0, and the second value of x here equals 1. Yeah, greater than 0, negative, positive, positive. Greater than 1, negative, negative, and positive. And then answer u. Okay, so this one greater than 0. So solution here positive. Yeah, first solution greater than 1. And the second solution here, x here less than 0. Okay, so you combine using the operator union. Okay, and answer here from the left, less than 0, negative infinity 0, and unions 1 to the positive infinity. Jawapannya sampai ke sini. Okay, this one using first method. Okay, you let all the factor here greater than 0. Okay, ataupun satu lagi method, yang ini pun you boleh pakai juga. So using a second method, you let all the factor here less than 0. Yeah, dia terbalikkan saja. Yeah. So here the first value of x 0 and the x here equals to the 1. Yeah. You let the x here less than 0. Start from here. Okay. And then the sign here from the left of the function, here you put the positive and the negative. And then value of x here greater than 1, less than 1. So here you put the positive, negative, and negative. Okay, and then you combine positive, negative, and positive, and the solution here positive. So the value of x here less than 0, and this one is a positive. And the second set here, x here greater than 1. Ya, jawapan dia sama saja. Kalau you let greater than 0 pun sama jawapan dia. Kalau you let all the factor less than 0 pun sama juga jawapan dia. Jadi you boleh pilih sama ada first method here ataupun using second method. Okay. Yang ada soalan tu you all boleh type dalam chat meeting. Lepas ni saya jawab. Okay, question B. X square minus 3x plus 2 over x minus 3 greater than or equal to the 0. Okay. And first step, here you factorize the quadratics. Yeah. X minus 2 times x minus 1 over x minus 3 greater than 0. And denominator here not equal to 0. So zeros of the function here equals to the 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay. And here intervals, ini macam tadi. You all check dia punya intervals. So zeros here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. So first interval here less than 1 between negative infinity and 1. Here second interval 2 and 3, and then the 3 to the positive infinity. Ada 4 dah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the sign of the sign here negative, positive, negative, positive. And then last find the solution. So here greater than or equal to 0. So here positive. So the first answer here between 1 to ini betul kan? This one close bracket. Okay, so here first solution between 1 and 2 using a close bracket. And the second solution here greater than 3. Okay, and the final answer ini 1, 2 unions 3 to the positive infinity. Okay, dapat jawapan. Okay, question 7. Absolute value function and method using graphical method. Ini pun sama. Method ini pastikan you all pakai metodnya betul lah. Okay, question 5x plus 7 greater than 4x minus 6. And the first step, you squaring both sides. Okay, this one step 1, squaring both sides. 5x plus 7 greater than 4x minus 6. And answer you here equals to the 9x squared plus 1x plus 13 greater than 0. And factorize the quadratics inequalities. This one step 2. 9x plus 1 times x plus 13 greater than 0. And find the zeros equals to the negative 1 over 9 and equals to the negative 13. This one you punya step 3. And step 4, sketch the graph. You check the coefficient of the quadratics inequalities. Ini ya, coefficient. Value of A here equals to the 9 and the positive value. So graph here open upwards. Okay, open up. So you graph open up, and here you put the positive sign above here, and below axis here you put the negative sign. Yeah. And the question here greater than 0. So solution you positive. First solution greater than negative 1 over 9. And the second solution here, value of x less than negative 13. Okay, so you combine two solutions from the left between negative infinity, negative 13. This one the first interval, unions negative 1/9 to the positive infinity. So here you put the unions, yeah. Okay, question 8. Okay, question 8, absolute value function. Okay, question 8 ini dia tak tetapkan method. Jadi yang ini you boleh pilih mana-mana method yang mudah untuk you pakai. Okay, but dia tak tetapkan. Okay, question modulus 3x plus 4 greater than or equals x plus 2. Okay, check method. So method here using the basic definition of the absolute value function. Okay, first part of the function 3x plus 4 greater than or equals to the x plus 2. Yeah, and then here using operator unions. And the second part here equals to the 3x plus 4 less than or equals negative x plus 2. Okay, ini you check you punya sign. First here, first part, positive sign, positive x plus 2. And then here equals to the negative x plus 2. Okay, so the first value of x here greater than or equals to the negative 1. And the second value of x here less than or equals to the negative 3/2. Okay, using the basic definition of the absolute value function, you mesti ada dua. Satu bahagian ni positive value, satu lagi you dapat negative value. Dia macam tu saja. Okay, and then you draw the number line. The first here less than or equals to the negative 3/2. So you draw here. And the second set greater than or equals to 1. And then solution from the left of the function negative infinity, negative 3/2 using the semi-open bracket, unions negative 1 to the positive infinity. Okay, and then operator here, operator or ataupun unions. So here you put the unions. Okay, satu lagi kita ada dua, satu lagi is operator and. Kalau you pakai operator and nanti, this one you pakai operator intersect. Okay, dia ada dua saja, sama ada you pakai unions ataupun operator and, A and D. Okay, question 9, absolute value inequalities. Ini pun sama, kita tak tetapkan method. Jadi nanti kalau soalan macam ini tak tetapkan method, you boleh pilih mana-mana method yang mudah untuk you pakai. Ya. Yeah? Okay, first method. Okay, so first method here using squaring both sides. Modulus x plus 3. Wait. Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt. In the chat box, have question for the previous question 8. There is someone asking.
Okay. Wait. Saya jawab kemudian. You all type saja dulu. You all type saja semua soalan. Lepas ni saya akan jawab kemudian. Boleh ha? Wait. Sekejap lagi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, you all type saja soalan ke situ. Lepas ni saya akan jawab. Tak apa. Okay. Okay, so first method here, squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides, modulus x plus 3 over x greater than 1. And then here equals to the modulus x plus 3 greater than modulus x. Yeah. So method, squaring both sides, x plus 3 square greater than x square. And here equals to the 6x plus 9 greater than 0. So the value of x here greater than negative 3/2. Okay, greater than negative 3/2, and the denominator here not equal to the 0. Okay, so solution, negative 3 over 2, 0, union 0 to the positive infinity. Jawapannya sampai sini. Okay, kalau you pakai first method, memang dia punya solution dia pendek saja. Okay, and then using a second method, using the basics definition of the absolute value function. Okay, so first here, write down the x plus 3 over x greater than 1. And then operator here using operator unions. Operator ni pastikan betul lah. Okay. And first part of the function greater than positive 1, here positive. And then second part of the function here less than negative 1. Pastikan ada dua, satu negatif, satu positif. And then you find the value of x, 3 over x here greater than 0. And then the second part of the function, 2x plus 3 over x here less than 0. Yeah. So you solve the first function, 3 over x here greater than 0. Okay. So you let the x here greater than 0. So here you draw the number line, x here 0. So put the empty circle and here greater than 0. So solution here 0 to the positive infinity. Ini jawapannya. This one first solution. Okay. And the second part of the function 2x plus 3 over x less than 0. So 0 here negative 3 over 2 and x equal to the 0. Ini sama macam tadi ya. So you draw the number line. Negative 3 over 2 to the positive infinity and 0 to the positive infinity. Okay, so you combine positive, negative and the positive. And here less than 0, less than. So sign here negative. You ambil ke tengah, between. Okay, so the second solution, value of x here less than 0. And greater than negative 3 over 2. And first solution here, value of x 0 to the positive infinity. Okay. Two solution, sekali lagi, you check you punya operator. Operator here, operator unions. So using operator U. Okay. So you combine the solution here using U. Ini ya. Ini you punya U. Okay. So first solution, negative 3 over 2 to 0, unions 0 to the positive infinity. You combine dua solution tadi. Okay, settle. Okay, question 10. Okay, question 10, you all check solution jawapan. Question 10 ni mudah saja. Yang mudah ni saya tunjukkan jawapan cukup. Saya tak boleh discuss lah. Okay, question 10, 2x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And first method using the completing the square. And the second method here using the quadratic formula. Yeah. So you complete the square, negative 3 over 2 times 1 over 2. Here equals to the negative 3 over 4. And here equals to the negative 3 over 4. Okay, yang ini saya ingat dalam form 4, form 5 pun you all dah belajar. Saya ingat tak ada masalah. Okay, and then find the value of x. X minus 3 over 4 equals to the plus minus 41 over 16. And last year x equals to the 3 plus minus 41 over 4. Okay, question A. Question B. Okay, question B using the quadratic formula. Ini lagi mudah. Quadratic formula, you find the coefficient of x square here equals to, coefficient of x here equals to the negative 3, and the constant c here equals to the negative 4. And then using the quadratic formula, find the value of x. X here equals to the 3 plus minus 41 over 4. Okay, dapat jawapan. Okay, and question 1, 2, 3. Okay, check. Question 1 to 3, question CLO1. Okay, question macam ini dia cuma satu markah saja. Okay. You state answer, correct answer, 1 marks. Soalan macam ini pun ada juga dalam exam nanti, tapi markah dia tak banyak lah. Markah dia paling banyak pun 2 ke 3 markah saja. You just state the final answer. You tak perlu buat calculation. Ini paling mudah. Okay, cek jawapan. Okay, question 1, check answer. Ini mudah saja. Jangan tak perlu discuss. Question 2. Question 2, set 2a plus 3 plus set a minus 2 equals to 4. Okay, so here equals to the set 2a plus 3 equals to the 4 minus set a minus 2 and squaring both side. Okay, squaring both side. A minus 11 equals to the negative 8, set a minus 2, and squaring both side again. Okay, so equals to the a minus 3 times a minus 83 equal to 0. So the value of a here equals 3 and a here equals to the 83. Yeah, and then you compare the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. Method ini sebenarnya kalau you all check dia sama dengan LU1 okay, yang kita belajar 2 minggu lepas ya. So you substitute this value a equals to the 3, substitute into the equation. Mana you punya equation tadi? 2a plus 3. Okay, you substitute into the equation. Yeah. So the left hand side here equals to 4 and the right hand side here equals to 4. So you accept value of a equals 3. Okay. Okay. And the second value of a equals to the 83. And then the left hand side here equals to the 22. And the right hand side here equals to 4. So not equals. So here you reject. And then answer here a equals to the 3. Dapat jawapan. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, cek jawapan. Cek answer. X square plus 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Yeah. So the value of x here greater than or equals to the negative 2. And denominator x plus 1 not equal to 0. And solution here negative 2, negative 1 using the semi-open bracket. Unions negative 1 to the positive infinity. Dapat jawapan. Okay. Okay, kalau ada soalan, you all boleh tanya saya. Type dalam chat meeting, nak pakai mic pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Hari ini ada 33 yang hadir. Seingat kelas ini ada 35, ada yang tak hadir ni. Okey, tak apa. Nanti saya cek . Okey, kita cek soalan kalau ada. Okay, first question daripada Muhammad Azif. Line number perlu buat ke untuk soalan nombor 8? Kita cek soalan nombor 8. Mana saya punya ni tadi ya? Sekejap. Kita bagi soalan nombor 8. Yang ini. Ya, number line tu kena buat. Number line ni you punya method. You plot the x greater than negative 1. Satu lagi is x less than or equals to the negative 3 over 2. And then last, baru you combinekan you punya answer kat sini. Okay, kena buat yang ini. Memang kena buat. Okay. Okay, this one question 1. Kita pergi ke question 2. Daripada Roshaina. Susah. Nama you line daripada line. Simbol V and U tu sama ke maksud? Boleh guna U dalam langkah kiraan ataupun mesti guna V? Okey, bagus soalan. U dan V ni tak sama. Saya tunjukkan contoh lah. Bila you nak gunakan unions, operator unions, bila you nak gunakan operator and. Okey, bagus. Saya tunjukkan kat mana. Yang ini ramai yang confuse lah. Kelas pagi tadi pun dia confuse. Dia tak sure mana satu dia gunakan union dan satu dia gunakan intersection. Ini saya tunjukkan. You check you punya soalan mudah. You check question number 8. Absolute value of 3x plus 4 greater than or equals x plus 2. You check you punya sign ni sahaja. Okay, first question, modulus 3x plus 4 greater than or equals x minus 2. You punya sign ini greater than or equals or greater than. So you punya method using operator unions. Okay, you pakai union macam ini. Okay. Dan satu lagi, kalau you saya tukarkan soalan. Soalan dia sama saja. Modulus 3x plus 4 less than or equals x minus 2. Soalan dia sama saja. Tapi saya tukarkan dia punya sign macam ini. Ini ya, you check. Okay. Kalau jumpa soalan ni, soalan sama, tapi saya terbalikkan dia punya ini, dia punya sign ni, less than or equals ataupun less than. So method here using operator and you find the intersection between two number line. Okay. Dia punya jawapan dia memang lain. Kalau you pakai method union, jawapan dia lain. Kalau you pakai method and intersection, jawapan dia lain. Memang tak sama pun. Okay. Pastikan dua benda ini jangan terbalik. Greater than or equals unions, less than or equals method U intersection. Okay, mudah saja. Okay. Bagi kita punya absolute value function ni, kita punya soalan ada dua bentuk sahaja. Sama ada you gunakan operator unions ataupun gunakan operator intersection. Ada dua keadaan sahaja, kebiasaan dia. Ya. Okay, question number 2 settle. Question number 3. Question 10, final answer if we spread the fraction. Okay, final answer ni untuk question number 10. Ada yang tanya, kalau you asing-asingkan, boleh, tak ada masalah. Final answer kita tak ni sangat lah. Kalau final answer ni you nak letakkan dalam bentuk decimal point pun kita terima, tak ada masalah. Final answer ni tak ada masalah. Yang penting you gunakan method yang betul sahaja. Okay, you nak asing-asingkan boleh, tak ada masalah, satu-satu macam ini. Ataupun you nak tuliskan dalam bentuk decimal pun kita terima, tak ada masalah. Okay, yang penting untuk mathematics di universiti ni, kita punya method sahaja yang paling penting. Okay, final answer tu cuma satu markah sahaja. Ya. Yeah? Okay, settle. And then question number 4. Question number 2, we need to check the solution in the exam. Yeah. Question number 2 macam ini kelas. You kena check. You compare the left hand side, compare with the right hand side of the equation. Kebiasaan dia kalau soalan yang ada set itu, you kena comparekan. Sama ada you accept the value ataupun you reject the value. Macam tu sahaja. Kebiasaan dia. Ya. Method dia sama dengan LU1. Ya. Okey, ada lagi soalan yang lain? Okey, saya tunggu dulu. Kalau ada soalan, you boleh type. Ataupun you pakai mic, boleh, tak ada masalah. Okey, saya tunggu kalau ada soalan.
Sir?
Oh ya.
Okay. Yang untuk checking tu dia ada markah kan?
Ya, ada markah. Checking itu dia punya method. Ya, kalau you tak buat you punya checking tu, maksudnya you punya method tu missing lah. Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, question number 2 tu yang tak buat lagi dia punya checking, you compare the left hand side, right hand side every question, you kena buat dah. baru you akan accept ataupun reject the value, and baru you punya final answer. Okay. Kelas pagi tadi pun dia buat sampai sini saja. Kalau you buat sampai sini betul. Betul lah. Kalau buat sampai sini betul. Tapi you punya method tu tak complete lah. Kalau soalan ni ada 7 markah, maybe you dapat 4 ataupun 5 sahaja. Selebihnya hilang kat sini. Yang belakang ni you tak buat. Okay. Okay, soalan yang lain. Dan satu lagi kelas, saya tekan ini ya, you punya method ini. Okay, method to solve the linear inequalities, quadratics inequalities, and the rational function. Okay, you made the method, table of sign, first method. Second method here using the real number line, and then the third method here using a graphical method. Okay, jadi salah satu daripada method ni kita akan guna dalam exam nanti. Okay, and the second absolute value function. Absolute value function, first method using squaring both sides. So you square the absolute value function, and then you sketch the graph, and then find the solution of the absolute value function. Okay, this one you punya first method. And the second method of the function using the basic definition of the absolute value function. So basic definition of absolute value function, first operator unions. This one you pakai U. And the second here operator N. This one you pakai N, intersection. Okay, dua benda ini dipastikan jangan terbalik. Okay, kebiasaannya absolute value function kita akan gunakan salah satu daripada dua ni, sama ada operator unions ataupun operator N. Pastikan dua benda ni you jangan terbalikkan sahaja. Okay, yang first method ni sangat tak ada masalah. Squaring both side ni paling mudah. Okay. Okay, next question. Ada lagi soalan? Boleh type dalam chat meeting. Kita check Kejap. Okay, sambung balik. So the next question, if the question did not mention any method, which one is the best or easier to use? Okay, bagus. Kalau soalan yang tak ditetapkan method, saya tunjukkan balik. Soalan yang tak ditetapkan method, for example, question 4-5, method here table of sign, you ikut saja. Question number 6, number line, table of sign, ini pun kita tetapkan, you follow sahaja. Question number 7, using the graphical method pun sama, you follow sahaja. Dan question number 8 ni. Question number 8 ni, you boleh pilih mana method untuk you pakai. Okay. Kebiasaan dia, kalau you compare, ini kalau tak ditetapkan method, kebiasaan dia, saya patah balik ini. Linear inequalities, quadratics, and the rational function. Kalau biasa dia kalau tak ditetapkan method, yang mudah untuk dipakai biasanya yang ini. You pakai ini, number 3 ni. Ini paling mudah. But you punya shape cuma ada dua sahaja. Sama ada graph here open upwards and graph here open downwards. Okay. Ini paling mudah, number 3. Ya. Kalau untuk soalan absolute value function, yang paling mudah kebiasaan dia first method, the squaring both side. Squaring both side, and then You draw the number line and then find the solution. Yang ini you all tak perlu pakai operator union. You tak perlu pakai operator and tadi. Mudah saja. Dia straight to the point. Okay. Ada dua method yang paling mudah. Kalau tak ditetapkan, you boleh pilih dua ini. Sama ada graphical method ataupun squaring both side. Kalau ditetapkan, you pakai sahaja. Ya. Okay. Dan soalannya lain. Okay. Ada. Okay, saya tunggu kalau ada. Okay, question Muhammad Hamirul. Absolute value function, we need squaring both sides and find the answer, and then without squaring both sides, how do we solve it? Okay, saja inform tadi, kalau dia punya method ini without using squaring both sides, maksud dia kalau you punya first method ni tak boleh pakai, ataupun dia mention, you kena pakai the second method lah. Kena pakai ni lah, the basics definition of the absolute value function. Pakai basic ni. Okay. You setkan the value of function greater than or equal to the 0. Second, less than or equal to 0. Satu positif, satu negatif. And then you check the operator. And last year you combine. Okay. Using the real number line. Okay. Pakai the second method kat sini. Okay. Kebiasaan dia method dalam exam, kita akan tetapkan kebiasaan dia. Sama ada you gunakan squaring both side, you gunakan basic definition, you gunakan graphical, number line ataupun table of sign. Okay? Kalau you dapat soalan tak ditetapkan method, maksudnya you nasib baik lah soalan kalau you dapat soalan macam itu. Ya? Yeah? Okay. Ada lagi question? Okay, saya tunggu kalau ada soalan. Hari ini ada 35. Saya download dulu je punya attendance. Jangan keluar dahulu. Saya download dah. 35 is okay lah. Tadi 33, okay, 35 cukup. Untuk you all ada 35. Semua hadir lah, tak ada masalah. Okay, and then question, it is possible to use the graphical method on a question with three solution. Okay, good. Kalau you punya solution tu, for example lah, ada soalan nantilah kalau jumpa dalam extra exercise nanti, kalau dia ada 3 solution macam ini, for example lah, negative infinity, 2 unions, 3, 4 unions 5 to the positive infinity. Okay. Kebiasaan dia kalau 3 solution macam ini, you all akan pakai sama ada table of sign. Yalah, sama ada this one, table of sign, ataupun number line. Kebiasaan dia. Kalau you gunakan graphical method biasa dia cuma untuk, biasa dia 2 saja, maksimum 2 saja. Sebab dia satu graf macam ini, you cuma dapat satu solution. Okay, graf kedua pun you dapat satu solution. Kebiasaan dia. Okay. Kalau dia banyak macam ini, lebih daripada 2, biasanya you gunakan number line lah yang paling mudah, ataupun table of sign. Ya. Yeah. Okay, and question daripada Syafiq, when do we need to use the b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac to find the discriminant. Okay, sama ada dia less than 0 complex, equal to 0 ataupun greater than or equal to 0. Yang itu soalan find the discriminant of the equation without solving. Okay, baru you gunakan b square minus 4ac. Ya. Yeah? Okay, lagi question? Dan nanti recording untuk video ni nanti saya letakkan dalam channel saya, Ibrahim B. Nanti kalau you nak check balik you punya solution, you boleh check kat sana. Kat sana you tak perlu gunakan password, masukkan terus saja, ya. Okey, ada lagi soalan last sebelum kita tamatkan sesi hari ini? Ada, macam tak ada. Okey, good. Okey, kalau tak ada soalan, saya ingat itu sahaja untuk hari ini dan saya sudahi dengan ucapan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.